So quite interesting this bowl on the right, so I've got one on the right, one on the left. This one on the right is just a starter sponge that I've made from dried yeast, and I just keep leaving it in the fridge overnight, taking half out, and then I keep feeding it every day basically with a little bit of flour, a little bit of water, and then I use half of it to make bread. It's looking very bubbly. This is my sourdough starter. Now this one I've just fed, so it will bubble up to twice the size tomorrow. This is amazing because this is just natural yeast that was in the flour itself. So it's just literally flour and water and a little bit of, no, that was just flour and water. This one I did put a little bit of honey in just to get it going. So the difference between a sourdough sponge starter and a man-made, or I shouldn't really say man-made, but a dried yeast starter. Very different, and the one on the left is definitely a little bit more acidic, which is what you want.